Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2014. That is, two cars start towards each other from two places A and B which are at a distance of 160 kilometers. See, A and B are at a distance of 160 kilometers, right? 160 kilometers, right? Two cars start towards each other. So this is car 1 and this is car 2. They start towards each other, so that means they are moving in opposite direction, right? Towards each other, right? They start at the same time, at that is 8:10 a.m. 8:10 a.m. a car started. If the speeds of cars are 50 kilometers and 30 kilometers per hour respectively, so C1 is 50 kilometers per hour and C2 is 30 kilometers per hour, right? Okay, respectively, they will meet each other at. So now see, in 1 hour, right? In 1 hour, C1 travels 50 kilometers, right? Right, that means 50 kilometers are travel, correct? And similarly, C2 would travel 30 kilometers, right? So in 1 hour, they both are, see, 80 kilometers they travel. So total 160 kilometers, say. So in 1 hour, they are 80 kilometers apart, right? That is, okay, see, 160 kilometers may by a 50 kilometers A travel and 30 kilometers B travel. So now they are 80 kilometers apart. Then in second hour, right? In second hour, again, A would be traveling 50 kilometers, right? 50 kilometers per hour, 1 घंटे में 50 kilometers, and B would be traveling 30 kilometers. So they would again be traveling 80 kilometers. So अब देखो 80 kilometers apart, they have traveled 80 kilometers. So now they both are meeting. So now after 2 hours, A and B are meeting each other. कहाँ? That is 100 kilometers away from A, right? And 60 kilometers away from B, right? So this is 60 kilometers away from B and this is 100 kilometers away from A. They have met, right? They have met, right? जैसे 160 kilometers है तो after 160 kilometers के बीच में A and B have met after 2 hours. So that is, if 8:10 they have started, they have met at 10:10 a.m. 10:10 a.m. So that is the question, right? If the speeds cross, then they will meet each other at 10:10 a.m. right? So this is again very easy question.